Hello friends, in this video I am going to help you understand how you can use this Tabletopia platform and play this game in the best way possible. Once you log in into the Tabletopia with your email ID, you can play the game, and once you choose this game and enter into it, you will end up on this particular page. This is the default setting. You can see your name, which would be reflecting somewhere here, and the color of your game piece, which would be assigned by the computer based on the available slots. And then what you can do is, just for a better understanding of this game, I advise you to use the camera setting as some preset which is going to be helpful for you. So the idea of setting a camera preset is very simple. You can choose any particular orientation which you are comfortable with. So for example, I want to have this look, and I want to set this particular look so that I can always end up on this particular setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this particular thing, moving my mouse, okay, zooming in or zooming out, panning, and then what we'll do is actually press shift plus a number button to fix that camera setting. So for example, I'm setting it to camera 1, so I press shift and 1. So as you can see, this camera 1 is saved over here. Okay, what I can do is I can have another look, for example on the corner blocks. If I am playing the game over here and I want to just focus on this particular area, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it for camera set 2. So shift plus 2. So my camera 2 is set. Then I move on, and I would suggest that all of you also set similar kind of thing, so that once you are playing the game, it would be much easier for you to switch from one camera view to another. So this is, I'm setting up to camera 3. So this is set to camera 3. Then I move forward. I can do it with the arrow key and go forward in this particular direction. Set it to camera 4. Then I can move up, and I want this view, so this I'm going to set it camera 5. Then I move the left arrow key to set something as camera 6. Moving forward, camera 7. There are 9 presets which I can use. So this I'm using for camera 8, and then finally this one is for camera 9. So the beauty of this particular thing is, once you have set this camera view, just by pressing at the number, so for example, if I press number 1, I can see the first view. Second, I come over here. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and 9. If I press 0, it comes to the default setting. I would highly recommend that you guys use this particular thing to set your camera view in the Tabletopia. Thank you.